Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hey creative minds, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something truly magical to share with you. Canva has just introduced a game-changing feature called Magic Studio, and it's here to revolutionize your creative process. I'm your host Saman, and in this tutorial, we will dive deep into the incredible world of Canva Magic Studio. Let's kick things off with the magic design. It's like having your own personal graphics assistant. So in the top search bar, write down your prompt, such as create a social media graphic for New Year. And now click enter. Just wait for a while and generative AI will create multiple designs for you. So on the top bar, you will see all the designs generated by AI. You can just scroll through these designs and select any one of your choice. If I select this one, I need to click on the Customize this template button. Once the design is loaded, I can customize it as per my requirements. I can replace this image, edit this text or this heading, and also change the background color. The designs appear below are the designs which are already designed or available in Canva. So if you want, you can also select these templates. Now let's move on to the other tool, that is Magic Switch. Using Magic Switch, you can transform your designs into different formats effortlessly. So let's try it. For example, you have this design. Click on Magic Switch, and using Magic Switch, you can translate this design into any language. Click on Translate, and then you can just select multiple language from this drop-down list. For example, if I select Urdu and then click on Translate, just wait for a while and see the magic. Click on Open button and it will create a copy of your design with the translated language. As you can see, Canva has translated your design into Urdu. You can just change the font size and the line spacing to edit your fonts. Now the another option of Magic Design is Transform into Document, such as you can just transform this document into a summary, all text, blog post, email, poem or song lyrics. Click on Transform into Document. Just wait for a while and then your template will be converted into your desired format. Click on Open, and as you can see, your social media post has been converted into a document now. Let's try other formats. Click on Magic Switch and then click on Transform into Document, and now select Song Lyrics. Click Transform into Document. Now within a matter of minutes, your post will be converted into song lyrics. It's fun and interesting so much. Now click on Open, and wow, your New Year post has been converted into the song lyrics. As the old year fades into the night and the new one starts to take flight, let's join hands, raise a toast to the future we are the host. So Canva is using generative AI very smartly to write down these lyrics. So the next tool is Magic Media. So using Magic Media, we can generate visual assets very easily. So let's try it. Click on Create a Design and then click on any post format. Now you need to load Magic Media through the applications. Click on Canva Apps here and now write down Magic Media. Press Enter and you will see the first tab here. Just click on it and Magic Media app will be opened here. And now you can just give any prompt here to create the images, such as I will write a beautiful rose in a garden with rainy season and some sunshine. You can also select these styles here. Click on See All. And these are the styles or digital art which are already available in Canva. If you need any specific design, you can just select it from here. I will select Concept Art. Then select the aspect ratio, whether you want a square, landscape, or portrait image. So here I will select a square and click on Create Your Image button. Now just wait for a while and Canva will create 4 different variations of your prompt here. As you can see, it has created 4 different variations of my prompt and I can select any one of them. Just click on this one, also this one. You can use these images in your graphics, your templates. If you want to edit these pictures, you can just click on Edit Photo and you can click on Filters and you can just apply any filter from here. And these are the AI generated images and they are not copied from anywhere. So you have the full copyrights of the images you create. That's amazing. In the same way, you can use Magic Media to create the videos. So let's create a video now. Click on the Video tab and give a prompt. Create a green color alien in a deep sea with horns on its body and sharp teeth. Now click on Generate Video. So just wait for a while and Canva will create an amazing video based on your prompt that you can use in your graphics and anywhere in your templates. So it will take maximum 1 or 2 minutes to create a video because it will create a video that is completely inspired by your scene or your prompt. And as you can see, your video is ready. Now you can just drag and drop this video to your template, just maximize its size and now play it. You can must notice these moving water drops in the background. So as you can see the video quality, it's sharp and it has a very high resolution. Now you can just create and use these short clips to create a complete movie as well. It's amazing. Let's move on to the other tool. So the next tool is Magic Grab. You can make any image editable, even the text within it, using Magic Grab. You can move objects, you can just make the text editable, or you can just increase or decrease the size of any text or the object in your image. So let's use this tool now. So now I have these two images here and I will use Magic Grab tool to select these parrots from these images. Select your image and then click on Edit Photo. Here you will find the Magic Studio tool that is Magic Grab. Click on it and it will select the object from your image. As you can see, it has selected the parrot and now you can just move this parrot very easily. Even you can just move it out of the frame and you can just adjust it into the other frame. I can just move it out of the picture as well. So this is the magic of Magic Grab. Not only this, but it has also filled the background space from where it has dashed the parrot. So it is mind-blowing. You can increase or decrease the size of the parrot as well, and you can also change its colors using different filters without affecting the background. Alright, so now I have this image and now I want to edit this text from this image. This text is not editable. So let's just make it editable with Grab Text. So select your photo and click on Edit Photo, then click on Grab Text. As you can see, it has selected the text from here. So it is a very powerful feature that you can use to select or edit any text in the images. As you can see, now I can just write down anything here. I can just increase or decrease the size and it will write the text in the same font actually. You can also change the font from the drop-down list here and you can also change the color of the text. So that's amazing. So Canva has introduced this powerful feature that you can use to edit text from the images. The next tool is Magic Write. Let's write something about Magic Write. And now I want to customize this using Magic Write. So when you will select this text, you will get this option here. Click on Magic Write and then you will click other options. Continue writing, summarize, rewrite, more fun, more formal, sprinkle fairy dust, and fix spelling. So if you want continue writing, just click on Continue Writing here. And it will just keep continue writing and will increase your content here. Now click on it again and click Magic Write. Now click Summarize. Using this option, you can summarize your content within a matter of seconds. You can rewrite it, you can make it more fun, more formal, or if you want to write it in a story format, then you can just click on Sprinkle Fairy Dust and your content will be converted into a story format. So that's an amazing feature of Canva that you can use for your content writing. Now the next feature is Magic Morph. So using Magic Morph, you can just apply different styles to your elements, to your text or any object. So to use this feature, add some text here. I will just select the text and then I will download Magic Morph from the apps here. So click on Apps and then click on Magic Morph. Select your text and click Open. Now here you can just give your prompt such as beautiful, shiny, glossy, foil balloon. You can also select any examples from here. Or if you want to use your own prompt, you can write your prompt here. Now click on Magic Morph. Just wait for a while and it will create 4 different variations of your style. As you can see, now you have 4 different variations here. You can just select them and drag and drop to your template. So I like the third one. I will just drag and drop it to my template here. And that's amazing. As you can see, its resolution is high and you can use it anywhere in your graphics now. Let's try another design. So example, if I just select any element from here, such as this star, and then I will go to Magic Morph and click on this style here and click on Magic Morph. Now let's see what it does with this element here. So as you can see, it has converted the flat star into a foil balloon, a glossy foil balloon. You can just select any one of these. That's mind-blowing actually. Now let's move on to the other tool. So the next tool is Magic Expand. Using this tool, you can just recover, cut off details and expand your photo in any direction. So let's do it. I'm just going to use this image here. I will just increase the size like this. And now I will click on Edit Photo. Now click on Magic Grab and expand the borders just like that. Now click on Magic Expand. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it has expanded the image with perfections. It has created this tail that is very realistic and it has also different versions such as this one, this one, this one, or this one. I like this one the most and you can see how much realistic it is. And the best part is that the images looks very realistic and no one can say that it is AI generated. So the next tool is Magic Edit. You can just reimagine your images using this tool. You can replace any object or you can just convert anything in your image as per your need. Changing colors or swapping objects is very easy now to do. So just let's try. Select the object you want to change or replace. Now click on Continue and give your prompt. Now click on Generate. So as you can see, Canva has swapped that mic with a rose. You can just click on Done and now you can just change anything else in this picture similarly. Click on the picture, click on Edit Photo, Magic Edit, select the area you want to change. Okay, so now I want to add a Christmas hat here and then I'll just click on Continue and click on Generate. So it has converted 4 different versions of the hat. It's quite amazing. You can select any one of them as per your choice. Click on Done and you can see it has converted your image beautifully. Now you can use it anywhere. So Canva is very powerful now and it can do magical things within a matter of seconds. So that's a wrap on our deep dive into Canva's Magic Studio. Whether you are a designer, a writer or a content creator, these AI-powered features are here to save you time and take your creativity to new heights. So head over to Canva and start exploring the Magic Studio today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again and I will see you in the next video.